When planning a house or renovation, the first thing people think about is colours and carpets. What a lot of people fail to consider is how the house is going to feel comfort-wise when they're living in it. Take your heating and cooling, for example. You can't see it, you want to push a button and be able to enjoy it. That's why I always call in the experts. They're going to take each house individually and consider the size of the unit, the amount of people using the space or the rooms, how to zone, airflows, air escapes and return airs. To get all that set up in your house, you're going to have to get them in at an early stage so they can have all the infrastructure of their indoor units, ductworks, grills, outdoor piping and your outdoor unit ready to go for when you close up the job. And they're going to take it from here and save me 4 years of uni before I can even start to understand how these guys make it all work.